So, do you know what parallel structure is?
That has to do with two lines that never intersect, right?
Not quite. Purdue defines it as using the same pattern of words to show that two or more ideas have the same level of importance. This can happen at the word, phrase, or clause level. The usual way to join parallel structures is with the use of coordinating conjunctions, such as and or.
Okay, that makes sense. So we're really dealing with consistency and balance.
Right, here's an example of parallelism in literature. Can you see it?
Yes, all the tenses are the same, and it ends in the same rhyming sentence.
Right, and this may seem like a simple example, but look at this example here from an excerpt from Shakespeare's The Tragedy of Julius Caesar. This is parallel structure too.
So to be clear, parallel structure is clauses or phrases with similar grammatical structure, syntax, and length. It means using the same pattern of words to show that two or more ideas have the same level of importance. This can be with words as well as with phrases or clauses. Use of parallel structure is important because it provides a balance that not only gives clarity for the reader, but also allows for writing to flow and for the writer to establish related items. Let's explore how parallel structure works.
Let's explore how parallel structure works. Take the sentences above, and let's say that we want to combine them. We would write, Jane likes to swim, to dance, and to hike. Or we could write, Jane likes to swim, dance, and hike. However, we could not write, Jane likes swimming, dancing, and to hike. So, let's recap what we've learned. Parallel, Jane likes to swim, to dance, and to hike. Parallel, Jane likes to swim, dance, and hike. Not parallel, Jane likes swimming, dancing, and to hike. Using parallel structure is really simple. As a writer and a reader, many people naturally structure their writing in this way. This is because it is what flows and reads well, because we are used to the English language working this way. It just sounds right. However, failure to use parallel structure is still a pretty common mistake. So let's discuss ways to spot parallel structure, or lack of it, and how to fix sentences so that they are parallel structured. We can begin by taking the incorrect example from above. How can we fix this sentence so that it is parallel structured? We fix the sentence by making all of the verbs have the same tense. So, Jane likes swimming, dancing, and to hike should read, Jane likes swimming, dancing, and hiking. See? Simple. Now let's use another example of parallel structure with words. Take the sentence, the author traveled the country, meeting readers to give autographs and ask for funds. This sentence is wrong because parallel structure demands that there is consistency grammatically. We began the sentence with meeting, so all the other verbs need to be written with the same ing ending. It should read, the author traveled the country meeting readers, giving autographs, and asking for funds. How do we spot parallel structure within a text? Parallel structure is usually evident by the presence of correlative words or phrases. When you see the words and, both, not only, but also, either, or, neither, nor, or whether, or, these are hints that something is related. The related items should be parallel with each other. Within writing, these words are usually used when something is being compared or listed. So, when you want to check your writing for parallel structure, you can begin by locating some of the words above. Once you've found them, check to see if the items you are using are parallel. If not, make them parallel. Remember, this can be done by making sure that the words are written in the same forms. If you have many items whose parallel structure you need to check, try writing all the items down into columns. This will help you to see if they are parallel. Visually look at each item, then read them aloud. If you notice the rhythm is being disrupted, this could be due to lack of parallel structure. Here is a list we made. Facebook can be used to find friends, event dates, company information, and posting up photos. There is an and in the sentence, so we know that means things are being correlated, and that then means they must be parallel. Based on what we've learned, which of the items makes the sentence not parallel? Here we have underlined all the items so that we could clearly note what we are examining. Posting photos is the phrase in a different form from the rest. So, to make the sentence parallel, we would write, Facebook can be used to find friends, event dates, company information, and photos.
Take it slow, maybe we'll live and learn. Maybe we'll crash and burn. Maybe you'll stay, maybe you'll leave, maybe you'll return. Maybe another fight, maybe we won't survive, but maybe we'll grow, we never know, baby, you and I will.
Thanks for watching!